Guide: Understanding Student Loan Forgiveness and Qualifying for Debt Relief Programs. Introduction. Student loan forgiveness is a program designed to alleviate the burden of student loan debt by forgiving or canceling all or a portion of the borrower's outstanding student loans. These programs are intended to provide relief to borrowers who may struggle to repay their loans due to financial hardship, employment in certain public service professions, or other qualifying criteria. In this guide, we'll explore what student loan forgiveness entails and how to qualify for debt relief programs. Understanding student loan forgiveness. Student loan forgiveness refers to the process of having all or part of your student loans forgiven or canceled, relieving you of the obligation to repay the remaining balance. There are various student loan forgiveness programs available, each with its own eligibility criteria, requirements, and application processes. Common types of student loan forgiveness programs include Public Service Loan Forgiveness, PSLF. This program forgives the remaining balance on direct loans after the borrower has made 120 qualifying monthly payments while working full-time for a qualifying public service organization. Teacher Loan Forgiveness. Designed for teachers who work in low-income schools or educational service agencies, this program forgives a portion of direct subsidized and unsubsidized loans and subsidized and unsubsidized federal Stafford loans. Income-Driven Repayment, IDR, forgiveness. Borrowers enrolled in income-driven repayment plans, such as income-based repayment, IBR, pay-as-you-earn, pay, and revised pay-as-you-earn, repay, may qualify for forgiveness of the remaining loan balance after making payments for a specified period, typically 20 or 25 years. Total and Permanent Disability, TPD, discharge. Borrowers who are totally and permanently disabled may qualify for discharge of their federal student loans through the TPD discharge program. How to qualify for debt relief programs. To qualify for student loan forgiveness or debt relief programs, borrowers must meet specific eligibility criteria and fulfill certain requirements outlined by each program. Here are general steps to qualify for debt relief programs. Review eligibility requirements. Familiarize yourself with the eligibility criteria for each student loan forgiveness program to determine if you qualify based on factors such as loan type, repayment plan, employment status, and other qualifying criteria. Assess your loan portfolio. Identify the types of federal student loans you have, as eligibility for forgiveness programs may vary depending on the loan types and repayment plans. Direct loans, including direct subsidized, unsubsidized, and PLUS loans, are typically eligible for most forgiveness programs. Choose an eligible repayment plan. Enroll in an eligible repayment plan, such as an income-driven repayment plan, if required for the forgiveness program you're pursuing. Ensure that you make all required payments on time and meet the criteria for qualifying payments. Verify employment or service. If applying for forgiveness based on employment in a public service or nonprofit organization, ensure that your employer qualifies for the program and that you meet the minimum employment requirements, such as full-time employment and specific types of qualifying employment. Submit documentation and application. Follow the application process outlined by each forgiveness program, which may involve submitting documentation, certification forms, and proof of eligibility. Be thorough and accurate in completing the application to avoid delays or denials. Monitor progress and follow-up. Keep track of your progress toward forgiveness by monitoring your qualifying payments, employment status, and any updates or changes to the forgiveness program requirements. Follow up with your loan servicer or program administrator as needed to ensure that your application is processed promptly and accurately. Stay informed and seek assistance. Stay informed about changes to student loan forgiveness programs, updates to eligibility criteria, and other relevant developments. Seek assistance from financial aid counselors, student loan servicers, or nonprofit organizations specializing in student loan assistance if you have questions or need guidance on navigating the forgiveness process. Conclusion. Student loan forgiveness offers relief to borrowers burdened by student loan debt, providing opportunities to have all or part of their loans forgiven or cancelled under specific circumstances. By understanding the various forgiveness programs available, assessing eligibility criteria, choosing appropriate repayment plans, and following the application process diligently, borrowers can take steps toward achieving debt relief and financial stability. Embrace the opportunity to pursue student loan forgiveness as a means of alleviating the financial challenges associated with student loans and achieving long-term financial well-being.